Hey, it's Dave Rexall. I got a forecast here for you. Overnight tonight down to 66. It's pretty warm stuff here. Mostly clear skies. There could be a little light fog toward morning. That should burn off pretty quickly. As a matter of fact, the brightest part of the day probably will be the morning. And the clouds thicken up. There's a slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Still warm though. 83. We're almost 2/3 of the way through September here. It's cooler Wednesday, 76, mostly cloudy, maybe a little shower there. Better rain chances Thursday, Friday, but there's a surge of warmth again. 83 Thursday, 80 on Friday. And fall starts late Saturday evening, the weekend, back down in the low 70s, a bit closer to where we should be this time of year. Some spots may not make it out of the upper 60s.